Hello and welcome. I'm Art, and today I'll be drawing Super Saiyan 3 Goku. I've actually drawn quite a bit of different Gokus, but I've never actually drawn a Goku doing a Kamehameha. Likewise, never drawn Super Saiyan 3. So that actually brings us to today on why I'm drawing a Super Saiyan 3 Goku doing a Kamehameha. I just love the way this drawing looks with that Kamehameha because it just adds so much more life and energy and makes it that much more dynamic. And no joke, expect to see a lot more ki blasts, energy blasts in all of my future drawings. And there is just something so satisfying when you finally are able to add some color. Originally, I did not like drawing hair at all, but over time, I come to love it. I just enjoy that process, it's kind of therapeutic. And a quick tip is to have the base of the hair color be the darker tone, and you just draw in the lighter hair strands. And here I'm beginning to add a background. If you don't recognize it, this is actually the sacred world of the Kai, from when Goku fought against Kid Buu, and this Goku is actually a set with that Kid Buu that I previously have drawn. And if you haven't seen that Kid Buu drawing, there'll be a link at the end. And a staple in all of my drawings, if you notice, is every single one has to have an aurora. The character has to be powering up, because I feel it just adds that much more dynamicness and life and energy to the drawing. And now finally onto the Kamehameha. And to add to the intensity, draw all these little lines and add a radial blur. And one thing when drawing effects is you have to remember that they do affect the character in the drawing. So that's why the blue hues are added, because they are coming off of that Kamehameha. And sometimes when you think you're done, you realize you're not. To add to the intensity of the drawing, I felt, why not just destroy the ground again? So I decided to add all these rocks and debris. I decided to do something different with this drawing. If you notice, I did not show the recording of the original sketch because I just wanted to jump into the actual meat of the drawing and see how this video went. Just adding the final touches. And here is the final completed piece of Super Saiyan 3 Goku performing a Kamehameha. So tell me, what do you guys think of it? If you like it, why don't you give it a thumbs up? If you're new here, I thank you for watching this drawing, and why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button so you never miss any new drawing that I do. And until the next drawing, goodbye.